You're welcome to my Yoruba class. Here, let's look at some determiners and possessive pronouns in Yoruba. My, me, your, re, his, re, our, re, their, one, her, wa, mine, tèmi, yours, tìrẹ, his, tìrẹ, hers, tìrẹ, theirs, tiwọn, hers, tiwa. Let's look at some examples here. My book, ìwé mi. Your book, ìwé rẹ. His book, ìwé rẹ̀. Our book, ìwé rẹ̀. Their book, ìwé wọn. Our book, ìwé wa. That book is mine. Tèmi ni ìwé yẹn. That book is yours. Tìrẹ ni ìwé yẹn. That book is his. Tìrẹ ni ìwé yẹn. That book is ours. Tìrẹ ni ìwé yẹn. That book is theirs. Tiwọn ni ìwé yẹn. That book is ours. Tiwa ni ìwé yẹn.